Well, waiting on some flooring to come in, and it's probably going to take about a week or so. So, decided to shift attention to the cab up here. This is a 2006, which is definitely seen some better days. It definitely comes from a work truck, as you can tell how rough the interior is. I don't know if I think they used to do drywall with it or something. I don't know, but anyway, the interior is in rough shape. Most of it is anyway. Some pieces are salvageable, but even the door panels for 2006 said looks pretty rough. But good news is I made a score at the junkyard. I found some 2012 seats in really good shape, and also some door panels. So anyway, it'll be a learning experience to see if I can make a 2012 door panels and seats fit the 2006. It'll be a definite improvement, that's for sure. And I'll just kind of slowly upgrade the interior. So those are the big pieces, and probably make a big difference. One problem I'm going to have though is I have manual windows and manual locks, and I'm going to see if I can make those electric in the process. So anyway, another big project, but I have hope. I'm going to pull this rubber mat up, clean it up real good. It is nasty. That's what happens when you buy an old work truck anyway. They just get used and abused, and anyway, wait for somebody to bring it back to life, hopefully. I hope this works out. Stuff to find out here. Success. To answer the question, 2012, probably 2014 seats will fit a 2006 E350 chassis, and probably E250 and E150s also. So I've always wondered that myself, and I've read on the internet, a couple people say, yeah, sure. So I suspect that 97 through 2014 should interchange. I think there's something to do with the seat belts not matching up on some years. That might be an issue in here. Yeah, seat belt receptacle does not fit, but the bottom seat mounts, they all match up perfectly. So anyway, I think this can be an easy fix. I'll have to look into it, but this is a step one. Definitely an improvement, I tell you. See, all the holes line up just right. Of course, I'm going to pull this back out of here and clean the floor mat up yet. I'm going to go pressure wash it, get all the junk out of here. I guess I need to hit it with a vac first. Suck up all the junk in here. It's a mess. Look how nasty, man. I don't know if they took this thing off road in the mud or what. It's got like a layer of dirt in the floorboard. So, gonna rip this stuff out, and well, not really rip it out, just take it out and try to pressure wash it and see if I can salvage it. If not, I'll be looking for another one. So here goes. for this right here is not on this one over here. If that's going to make a difference or not. Well, so far it looks promising. Why did Ford stop making these? These things are awesome, man. You can take parts from a 97 all the way to a 2014. This is a 2006, by the way, and check it out. 2006 with 2012 door panels. And I think you can go all the way up to 2014, maybe. This is awesome, though. So I can keep this thing running forever. There's always going to be replacement parts for it. That's a big year span to cover for replacement parts. Of course, these things get used up pretty quick, but there's a lot of them on the road, so that's the good thing. And hopefully, let's see. Yeah, that should fit just nice. So I just thought of something else I could share with you. Just thought about it. This is a 96 E250, and these are 2006 door panels, and they fit. So that means even the older models beyond 2000. No, this is a 94. I'm sorry, I told you. Okay. Let me redo that. This is a 94 E250. These are 2006 door panels, and they bolt right on also. Now I don't believe the seats will bolt right in, so that would be something more difficult. But just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys were wondering if the older models, you know, back in the 90s, early 90s, would also work. So looks like even older than 96 will work. They all share the same door panels, so that's good to know. I think it's a pretty nice improvement. Still quite a contrast with the beat up old dash and steering wheel. Between that and the floors that I painted, pressure washed and painted. Got the new seats, but she's coming along. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Mark, and get out there and build it instead of buying it.